Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. Today we're on to lot number 32, which is a Honda Zoomer, but this time in red. Really one of my favourite colours. We'll be going up at €1,850, 2007 model with 10,000 miles on the clock, so very, very low mileage. Condition wise, she's in really, really nice condition. I really love the colour on this. Rear tyres in good nick. Same with the muffler, no real major scrapes or anything like that. Nice red accents along the whole side of it. The seat also in good condition. The footwell area also very nice. No scrapes in the battery casing area, as well as the front mudguard and front wheel. The left hand side of the bike now is much of the same. No real rusting around the kind of stand and kickstart where you usually see it. In around the seat, all very nice. Metals, footwell area, all very good. Front tyre perfect, as well as the front fork and mudguard. Battery casing also in very nice condition. Again, we will be taking €150 deposits for these bikes to secure them before their arrival. It's €1,850 total, 2007 bike with 10,000 miles on it. So if you have liked the video, please do leave a like, as well as commenting down below what you think of the bike itself, as well as subscribing if you haven't already.